What happens when you upgrade the mini emptier on your Kirby G7 Diamond Edition? But don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. The Kirby Ultimate G Diamond Edition was the replacement for the Kirby Ultimate G. Now the Kirby Diamond Edition ran from 2003 to 2006 and it came with a few upgrades. Most popular Kirby amongst Kirby owners, and a lot of Kirby collectors look out for this model because of its classic design and the improvements that the Ultimate G series got. The Kirby Ultimate G Diamond Edition was the first Kirby that had the improvements of the Kirby filtration system, so it used the newer style bags, and this reduced allergens and was a bigger improvement over the paper bags with greater filtration. With its motor, brush roll and rug plate improvements, it increased upright cleaning ability. There's a delicate switch added for throw rug and low noise cleaning. But in today's video, what we're going to be doing is checking out what happens when we fit the equivalent of an Avalier 2 mini emptier and what the CFM is. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. Well, so we're all set up, so we're going to run this in low power mode first with the standard mini emptier that it came with. And we'll run this for 10 seconds. And now we're just going to run this in high power. Right, so we've changed the mini emptier. I'm not going to show you how to do that. I'll put a link to a video at the end of this video on how to do that. Now, to go with the aesthetics, I thought the best mini emptier to go with obviously wouldn't have been an Avalier 2 because it was in black. So we've gone with the light Centria. So it's still got that grey look. It's just a fraction darker, but it's not like a rusty look like you've got with the Centria 2. And I'll put a link in the description below of where to get one from. Right, so we'll try this in low power mode first, and then we'll run it in the high power mode. And now we'll run it in high power mode. Now don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Kirby products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy that CFM test and let's jump into the results. The Kirby Ultimate G Diamond Edition running on its standard mini emptier on low speed, we got 117.9 CFM, which was pretty good and pretty reasonable if you want to use it on low power for vacuuming those loose mats. Then we run it on a high power and it jumped up 10 CFM, so it jumped up to 127.035. And that was on the standard mini emptier that came with the G7 as it stands. So when you look at those comparisons, there's no comparison to the G4. If I remember rightly, the G4 was around 125, so it jumped up 2 CFM on high power from what the G4 was running with a standard mini emptier. When we changed the mini emptier, I did use a Centria 1. Like in the video, that was the closest I could get to that colour scheme for the Ultimate G. It's not too dark, it was a better fit than the Centria 2. So I will put a link in the description of where to get one from. So jump back into what it ran with that upgrade. On a low power, it jumped up the CFM to 124.36 CFM. So jumped up around 6 CFM on low power mode. And then what we did was we run it on high power. So on high power mode, this is the one you've all been waiting for. It jumped up a staggering 142.96 CFM. So that's around 16 CFM jump compared to what it was previously. So I think it's well worth the upgrade. So you can see by just changing that mini emptier alone, and that's not even putting an oblique brush roll in there, you're getting a massive improvement on CFM just on your Ultimate G7 Diamond Edition. Obviously it's not in the league of the G4, what we got with the G4. That was a massive improvement. But I will put an card above linking to that video if you haven't seen that one, and you can see the improvements you can make to your G4 just by changing the mini emptier and changing the portable head to use an oblique brush roll. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.